In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Amazon package in real time. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to see live delivery updates, what each status means, and how to find your tracking number without digging through emails. Start by opening your web browser and going to Amazon.com. Sign in with the same Amazon account you used when placing the order. If you have more than one account, double check you're in the right one so your order appears. Once you're signed in on the homepage, look to the top left for the menu icon labeled All. Click it to expand the full navigation menu. In the expanded menu, scroll all the way down and select Customer Service. This takes you to a helpful hub with quick links and answers. On this page, scroll to the Recommended Topics section where you'll see a shortcut called Track Your Package. Click that to get directly to tracking resources. On the tracking page, scroll down until you see the link to your orders, then click it. This brings up a list of everything you've purchased, including items that haven't shipped yet. If you don't immediately see the item you want, use the date filters at the top or the search bar to narrow it down. This is especially useful if you order frequently or are tracking something you bought a while back. Once you've found the order you want to track, look to the right of that item and click Track Package. If your purchase is shipping in multiple packages, you may see multiple tracking options. Choose the one that matches the item you're watching. The tracking page shows your package's real-time details. You'll see the current delivery status, like shipped, out for delivery, or delivered. You'll also see the tracking number assigned by the carrier, a timeline of shipping updates, and the estimated delivery date. In some cases, you may see a live delivery window or a map as the driver gets close. Keep in mind that updates can lag a bit during busy periods or for third-party sellers, so refresh the page occasionally if something looks stale. If you'd like extra guidance, there's a short instructional video right on the page that explains how tracking works and what each step in the timeline means. It's a quick way to understand why an order might still say preparing for shipment or how estimates are calculated. And that's it. If this walkthrough helped you track your package with confidence, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Amazon tips and tutorials.